Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101, where this week we're talking about maternity insurance. Even with its simplest forms of coverage, insurance can be hard to understand, and health insurance is often anything but simple. While many people have good health insurance protection, not many policyholders fully understand the ins and outs of their coverage. This is especially true concerning health insurance plans offering a maternity benefit. First things first. Maternity insurance or pregnancy insurance is the name given to an optional benefit under many Hong Kong and international health insurance policies. This type of insurance is designed to cover the costs associated with delivering a baby or giving birth at the hospital of your choice within the plan's geographical coverage area. Prenatal, before birth, and postnatal, after the birth, medical checkups and treatments are also usually covered under this type of insurance benefit. Now, in order to obtain maternity coverage, you will normally need to purchase inpatient protection. This is due to the fact that maternity is considered an optional benefit on the majority of health insurance products. The most important aspect of maternity insurance that it is critical for any policyholder to understand is the fact that this benefit is always attached to a waiting period. In many cases, and under many types of maternity insurance, you will have needed to be on the policy for a significant length of time before receiving coverage under the plan for your maternity benefit. In fact, the shortest waiting period available under any international health insurance product for maternity coverage is 10 months from the start of the plan. This means that to even have your pregnancy considered for coverage under a maternity insurance policy, you would have had to have been enrolled on the plan for at least 10 months. As a normal pregnancy is 9 months in duration, it then becomes immediately apparent that any person who is already pregnant will not be able to enroll on a new maternity insurance policy and have that existing pregnancy covered under that plan. In this regard, pregnancy is almost treated like a pre-existing condition. Taking out a maternity insurance policy when you are already pregnant will not see you covered against the costs of that delivery. There is another area which many maternity insurance buyers should consider, and that is the availability of newborn child coverage under their plan. Having your child covered under insurance can be invaluable in the early days of their life, especially if there are any congenital conditions that you may be concerned about. Hong Kong and international maternity insurance options will normally go about covering a newborn child in one of two ways. The child may either receive a free benefit or they may be born into the plan. There are some differences and some pros and cons to either side. But simply put, when it comes to your maternity coverage, both in Hong Kong and around the world, you have an extensive array of options with which to protect yourself and your loved ones. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.